Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. If you want to view and prepare cryptocurrency pairs for trading in MetaTrader 5 on desktop, the process is simple once you know where to look. Whether you're planning to analyze price movements, set up watch lists, or place crypto trades, adding the correct symbols is the first step to getting started. The main idea is to make sure the symbol you want is visible in your Market Watch panel, because that panel is where MetaTrader displays the instruments available from your broker. If a symbol isn't visible there, you won't be able to quickly access its chart or trade it from the platform. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer and logging into your broker account. This part matters because the list of available instruments, including cryptocurrencies, depends on the broker accounts you are connected to. Different brokers offer different markets, so the crypto pairs you see may not be the same as someone else's. If you are not logged in properly, you may not see the correct symbols or categories. Once you are inside the platform, open the quotes panel called Market Watch. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and M on your keyboard. It's a useful shortcut to remember if you regularly use MetaTrader 5. If you prefer using the menu, you can also click View and then choose Market Watch. When the panel opens, you should see a list of instruments and their current prices. This is where you'll be able to monitor live market quotes and quickly access the assets you want to trade. Next, right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch window and select Symbols. This opens the full symbol list available on your account. Think of this as the directory where MetaTrader stores all the instruments your broker offers, even if they are not currently displayed in Market Watch. From here, you can manage exactly which markets appear in your watch list. In that symbols list, look for a folder named Crypto or Cryptocurrencies. The exact label can vary slightly depending on the broker, but it will usually be something similar. Some brokers may also organize crypto products under CFD or digital assets categories. So if you don't immediately see a crypto folder, it's worth checking nearby folders as well. Open that folder and browse through the available coins or crypto pairs. You'll often find popular instruments such as BTC/USD, ETH/USD, or other cryptocurrency pairs, depending on what your broker supports. When you find the cryptocurrency you want to trade, click on it and then click Show. This makes the symbol visible in the Market Watch panel, so you can monitor its price and open its chart more easily later. Once it's added, you can simply double-click the symbol or right-click it to access additional trading and charting options. If needed, you can repeat this for multiple cryptocurrencies so they all appear in your list. This can be especially useful if you follow several coins and want to switch between them quickly without searching each time. There is also a faster method. If you already know the name or ticker of the coin you want, at the bottom of the Market Watch window, use the search bar and type the coin name, for example, BTC, then press Enter. This can help you find symbols more quickly without manually browsing through folders, especially if your broker offers a large number of trading instruments. After that, the crypto symbol should appear in Market Watch. From there, you can open its chart, add technical indicators, perform your analysis, or prepare to place trades whenever you're ready. If you do not see any crypto instruments at all, it usually means your broker does not offer them on that account type. In some cases, you may need to switch to a different account type or use a broker that supports cryptocurrency trading in MetaTrader 5. So keep that in mind, and that's how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5.